unified payments interface has emerged as a game changer in India's quest for a digital future. By enabling seamless, secure and inclusive transactions, UPI has transformed the way Indians transact, empowering millions and driving economic growth.
So you see, if you are buying a 10 rupees tea, you can make the payment through your phone. This UPI or this particular code, you can scan and you can make the payment. We give you this special story on how India's UPI system is changing the whole gamut of infrastructure, especially the digital public infrastructure in the country. India's unified payment interface is reshaping the nation's digital landscape with its secure and inclusive transactions, propelling economic growth. In the fiscal year 2023, UPI witnessed a staggering $1.7 trillion in transaction, making it a global favorite. Japan, Singapore, UAE, France, and UK are keen to adopt UPI. Recently, France, United Arab Emirates, and Sri Lanka have joined this digital revolution, embracing India's payment technology. UPI's entry into France marks its foothold in Europe, while its presence in Sri Lanka and UAE strengthens India's economic ties with these nations. This global expansion of UPI also signals promising prospects for India's fintech sector.
Because of the instant and seamless nature, a very large proportion of Indian consumers are able to now make payments very easily and smoothly. Second, UPI takes away the reliance on cash, and hopefully over time it will bring down the level of cash in the country and also formalize the economy. And third, a lot of the innovation that is being built in India in financial services is being built on top of UPI as the fundamental rails. So a lot of banks and fintechs and also non-financial service companies are actually innovating on top of UPI to provide better services to Indian consumers.
All of us in India underestimate what change in last 10 years India has brought about. In fact, one of the most phenomenal biggest change that we see all around is that from small to large merchant, everybody in nook and corner of everywhere in the country is taking now mobile payments. The best part about it is that UPI, the innovation of India, is now the pride of India. Everywhere you go, there is a merchant who is ready to take, with the government scheme of 0% India charge to small merchant, makes it even incredible, small or large, online or offline, everybody is happily taking UPI payments. In fact, the scale and the impact of UPI is heard globally.
In 2022, the sector attracted $4.8 billion in funding and is anticipated to grow into a $2 trillion industry by 2030. UPI, initiated in 2016, has played a pivotal role in India's fintech narrative, evolving from just 1 million transactions in October 2016 to surpassing 10 billion transactions. Furthermore, internationalization of UPI aligns with Indians' substantial overseas spending, which amounted to $10 billion between April and December 2022. This expansion holds great potential for fueling India's economic growth. Tapush Bhattacharya's report, DD India.